Alright, this is gonna be it's gonna be a really short video. Just gonna introduce this guy right here. What's your name? That's he said Peter Pan. His name's Peter Pan. For those of you who don't understand, he's a pigeon. He's just probably just a few months old. Saved his life outside. A couple drunks were wondering what the hell an injured bird was doing in front of a bar. So I picked him up and said, I'm taking him. Anyway, this is him. Peter Pan, say some words. Oh, he's really mad. He's always mad. He's pecking me right now. But these are just friendly pecks. These are just friendly. He knows I love him. I'm scratching underneath his chin right now. Doesn't really look like it. Are you talking? Alright, I'm gonna bring him out. I'm gonna bring him out. Get on my finger, man. Come here. He's a very tame bird. This is actually the tamest pigeon I've ever had. I've been raising pigeons since I was 5 years old. This guy is the tamest pigeon I've ever had. Yeah, he's very open to his feelings. You see how he's attacking my thumb? I'm gonna put my thumb down. Maybe. Yeah, he won't stop. But anyway, he's not flying away. He's on my finger right now. You see that? He's not flying. I'm not holding him either. He's really tame. This is like the tamest pigeon I've ever had. I've been raising them since I was 5 years old. I've never had a pigeon like this before. And this is a wild pigeon. This is a pigeon that you see underneath bridges. You see these pigeons, they're on the streets downtown. If you got a downtown in your city, they eat anything. But I feed him seeds, like to keep him healthy. I'm gonna put him back. I don't like to piss him off too much, you know. Just a little friendly introduction. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Peter Pan. Say goodbye to everybody on YouTube. Say goodbye. And there you have it.